Teden pred tekmo s Krko smo tokrat izkoristili za predstavitev, za katero vmes zmanjkalo časa in glede na to, da se po odsluženi kazni vrača v moštvo, je za spoznavanje Abela Giglija pravi trenutek. Najprej izgovorjava.
I'm Abel Gigli and I'm a center back playing for Maribor.
Centralni branilec, ki igra za Maribor, katerega oče in mama sta Somalijca, dedek po očetovi strani Italijan, sam pa rojen v bližini Milana. Zato kljub dejstvu, da se je kot nogometaš uveljavil v Parmi, odigral celo nekaj tekem v serije A, njegovo srce navija za rosonere iz mesta mode.
I will say ever thank you to Parma because they made me like a player, football player. But AC Milan is when I was a little child, I was watching all the team of AC Milan also now, so it's my favorite team.
Paolo Maldini, the greatest player?
Yes, Paolo Maldini is my best player in the place. You catch exactly what I want to say to you. For me, is a legend.
Nazaj v sedanjost, dejstvo, da ni opravil priprav skupaj z moštvom in da je potem moral predčasno vskočiti v polni pogon ob poškodbi Aleksandra Rajčevića, je zagotovo vplivalo na njegove izvedbe zaenkrat na igrišču.
Yes, I come back soon in the game without not a very important pre-season for me. But playing games 90 minutes help you to get fit. But I know I miss preparation, so I'm not fit at 100%. So I know myself, I know my level, and so working, training, I know I can be fit, more fit, and I can do better in the game. I think I'm maybe 80%, 70–80%. I can do more, but I'm just also happy what I'm doing because it's not easy, coming in a different team, new team, everything is new.
In nov bo tudi trener, ki bo dvotedenski premor skušal izkoristiti za pripravo na čim boljše nadaljevanje sezone. Tudi Gigli pravi, da bodo naslednji tedni pomembni.
It will be important, because every coach wants things from the team, from the game, so if you have more time to spend with a new coach, it's good because you can understand what he wants and do it fast as you can.
In kaj lahko novi trener pričakuje od vijolične 13-tice?
To be a good player for Maribor and try to help the team to win every game and don't get goals, because our goal of defender is that every game finish with 0, and I think I will do the best by myself and with my teammates.
Da bi to Abelu Gigliju čim večkrat uspelo in da bi v tem času našel tudi dobro italijansko kuhinjo, prave testenine, kot jih znajo pripraviti v Italiji, namreč v Mariboru še išče.
I didn't find yet a very, very good pasta here, but maybe somewhere I will find it, yes. I'm Italian, I was born in Italy, and so I eat pasta every day, like all lunch, but here is a different culture, so maybe then don't usually eat pasta every day, but I can cook it by myself at home.